everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I went to Bangkok to Laos and how it cost me. So let's see. First of all, I took with the budget train and it only cost me 220 baht. So it is around $6 and it is pretty cheap for this price. And it took me almost 11 hours to get to the border state, which is called Nong Khai. And this is what I ate in there. And it only cost me 100 baht. 100 baht. It is around like $3 for a whole piece of chicken. And it tastes so amazing. Just children. And I finally arrived to the Nong Khai station at around 10 a.m. and this is what I wore for that day. I need to take the dog from train station to the immigration place, and it only cost me like 50 baht, which is around $1.5 to get there. So this is the entrance of immigration center, and after that I have to get on the bus and it only cost me 30 baht, which is under $1. So you can see there are two sides of river. This borderline is what you are seeing right now is Thailand and the other side is Laos. And you will see the Thailand flag end here and Laos flag start here. When I change my money to Kip is Laos currency and they give me 2.3 million Kip for $100 and I was so happy. And after that I took a taxi to my hostel and it cost me like $10 to get there. And this is where I lived for 3 days and it cost me like $40 for 3 nights. So this is pretty affordable and cheap for a dormitory room. See, I got my own place and I was so exhausted. So I took a nap for almost like 4 or 5 hours in there. And it was dormitory room, so they only gave 2 aircon for 12 dormitory room like this. And at the night time, when I woke up, I got an idea to have my dinner and I go out with my pajama because I thought there isn't that much restaurant and street food stall in that area, but I was so wrong. In Laos, Vientiane, there are a lot of beautiful shops and the nightlife is so amazing there. You can see there are a lot of beautiful restaurants there. And they have such a lively night market every night. And it is so lively and there are a lot of people, as you can see. There is also carnival every night there. I didn't know it was that crowded, so I just go out with my pajama and I totally regret about that. this is what I had for dinner. Mala noodle. And thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you all enjoy my Lao trip like I do, and hope to see you in the another video of my Lao trip. And thank you so much again. Bye bye. See you.